Welcome back to Jennifer Broussard Art and 10-Minute Tuesdays. Today we're going to paint this Flamingo Floaty. Isn't it cute? I love it. I'm going to use this Magnani 1404 Italia watercolor paper in 140 pounds, 6 by 6 inches. It's cold pressed and 100% cotton. I'm going to use these brushes, Silver Black Velvet 1/2 inch flat, the Silver Black Velvet round 8, a Princeton Heritage round 4, and an Escoda Perla round 2, and my Da Vinci paints. So before we start painting, I'm going to do a quick drawing of this. So I'm going to do it in shapes. We've got the little floaty is sort of an egg shape. A little more round right there. Okay, and then we've got kind of up here, we have an S shape. And then back here, we follow that S shape, skinny little neck. And we're going to make finish that S. And then this is going to make this neck a little bit fatter. And then we have another egg shape. And we come down and in. And then this comes down, kind of does that. So then we have I'm just going to do the eye. It's kind of cartoony. And there's like a crescent moon middle of the eye. And then a little bit of a beak. And then we've got, I want to make this a little bigger. Like that. And then there's a seam that goes kind of straight. Like that, and then we've got the little wrinkles. There's a little design or something right there that I'm not going to bother with. And then the floaty is sitting on some wavy water. Okay, let's start. Here we go. If you run out of time like me and you want to make this better, like you just want to add a couple little things, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little bit of dark green, kind of around, and kind of soften them. Do a little bit more pink. It's a little bit muddy. And then I think, you know what? It's a 10-minute painting. I just wanted to add a little bit more on the water. I had so much fun with this painting that I decided to make it into a full Patreon tutorial on Thursday. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and maybe you can join me over on Patreon.